Having a child is a dream for many, but the path to parenthood isn't always easy. Surrogacy offers a beacon of hope for those struggling to conceive, but it comes with a hefty price tag. Many couples find themselves overwhelmed by the financial burden. This is the heartbreaking reality for countless individuals and couples. They long to be parents. They are ready to give all their love to a child. Yet, the high cost of surrogacy can feel like an insurmountable hurdle. It can feel like their dream is slipping away. The emotional toll of infertility is hard enough. Adding financial stress to the mix can be devastating. It's crucial to acknowledge these challenges. We must find ways to make surrogacy more accessible. We will explore the financial aspects of surrogacy. We'll discuss ways to navigate this complex and often costly journey. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your options is the first step to achieving your dream of parenthood. Surrogacy involves numerous steps. Each step comes with its own set of costs. It's essential to understand these costs up front. This will help you plan and budget effectively. Agency fees are a significant expense. Agencies screen surrogates and intended parents. They facilitate the matching process. They provide support throughout the journey. Legal fees are another crucial aspect. You'll need attorneys to draft contracts. They'll ensure legal compliance throughout the process. Medical expenses for the surrogate are a major part of the overall cost. This includes prenatal care, delivery fees, and any potential complications. You'll also need to factor in the cost of IVF and embryo transfer. Don't forget about the surrogate's compensation. This is a critical aspect. It recognizes the incredible commitment she's making. Other expenses include travel costs, insurance, and psychological counseling. Financing surrogacy can feel daunting, but there are various options available. Traditional funding sources can help ease the burden. Personal savings are often the first resource. Start saving early. Put aside a little each month. Every bit helps. Loans are another common option. Explore personal loans, home equity loans, or even loans from family and friends. Grants specifically designed for surrogacy are available. These grants offer financial aid to those who qualify. Research different organizations and foundations. Some employers offer fertility benefits as part of their health insurance plans. Check with your employer to see what's covered. Some plans might even include surrogacy assistance. Thinking outside the cradle. Creative ways to fund your family. If traditional funding options aren't enough, don't despair. Get creative. There are many alternative ways to raise funds for your surrogacy journey. Crowdfunding has become increasingly popular. Platforms like GoFundMe allow you to share your story. You can ask friends, family, and even strangers to contribute. Organize fundraising events. Host a bake sale, a car wash, or a silent auction. Engage your community. Share your story with local businesses. Seek sponsorships or donations. Remember, every little bit counts. Consider selling unused items online or hosting a yard sale. Turn your clutter into cash for your surrogacy fund. Get thrifty and explore cost-saving measures in your daily life. Every penny counts. Budgeting and planning for your surrogacy journey. Managing finances is essential for a successful surrogacy journey. Start by creating a detailed budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize saving. Set realistic savings goals. Explore different savings accounts or investment options. Make saving a regular habit. Compare costs from different agencies, clinics, and legal professionals. Don't be afraid to negotiate fees. Shop around for the best deals on medications and supplies. Consider all potential expenses. Factor in unexpected costs that may arise. Having an emergency fund will provide peace of mind. Seeking expert advice. Why financial counseling is crucial. Navigating the financial intricacies of surrogacy can be overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a financial advisor. A financial counselor specializing in surrogacy can provide invaluable support. They can help you create a personalized financial plan. They'll assess your current financial situation. They'll guide you through different funding options. They'll help you make informed decisions. Financial counseling is not just about crunching numbers. It's about emotional support too. A counselor can address your anxieties. They'll provide reassurance and encouragement throughout the process. Remember, you're not alone. Many couples have walked this path before. Seeking professional guidance can make a significant difference. It can alleviate stress. It can empower you to make sound financial choices. Achieving your dream. Surrogacy is within reach. The journey to parenthood through surrogacy can be challenging, but don't let financial barriers extinguish your dream. With careful planning, resourcefulness, and support, surrogacy is within reach for many families. Start by educating yourself. Understand the costs involved. Explore all available funding options. Create a realistic budget. Seek guidance from financial professionals. Remember, every journey is unique. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Be patient. Be persistent. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and professionals. Surrogacy is a testament to the power of hope and resilience. It's a journey fueled by an unyielding love for a child. By taking proactive steps and embracing the available resources, you can overcome financial obstacles. You can finally experience the joy of parenthood. Start planning your surrogacy journey today. See?